Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review Kaneles mullet wigs for men's 80s costume fancy party wig. So you should purchase or not, and what are the problems. So as you can see, this is a wig and the cost of the wig is only like $14. And as you can see, they have like different kinds of wig in this category, so you should purchase or not. So my dear friends, as you can see, the ratings of the wigs is also very good, and you can see the rating is very good, and the rating count is also very good. So you don't need to be worry about, like, you can purchase this wig very easily and you can get your wig very easily, and if you are not satisfying, you can also return your wig very easily. So you can definitely purchase this wig. This wig is very, you can say, good for you, and you can use this wig for any kind of small parties and all. So there is no negative point about this wig. You can use and you can get your money back very easily if you are not going to satisfying after buying the wig. Okay, so yes, this is my review. If you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.